An emergency has been activated. What happened is that is the crash landing. We all need y'all to get brace impact. And A380 got into a fire with the engine. We have a problem with the systems today. I need to open the cockpit door. All the TVs just shut down by itself. Okay, everyone's in the brace position. Okay, everyone, we need to go for the landing.
Brace, brace, brace.
Now.
This is your captain speaking. The aircraft has landed but is on fire and may explode. Flight attendants, open the boarding door and evacuate all the passengers as quickly as possible. Evacuate, evacuate, evacuate.
Everyone should leave the airplane immediately. This is very dangerous. Ma'am, please get off from the plane and evacuate. Get off from the plane. Leave. It's on fire now. I think it's a fire. Oh, yeah. Hey, we have you and we have you. Evacuate. Okay, is anyone out of here already or not? We have upstairs passenger. Got evacuated. Uh-oh, it's dangerous. We need to get out of here. A crash landing. Oh dear. It's an explosion. Hope the kids are alright. Help is on the way. Let's see what happens next for the next emergency. Oh dear.
This is your captain speaking. We have experienced a cabin depressurization. Flight attendants, make sure all passengers have their oxygen masks on, and do it quickly.
We had a problem with the aircraft today. We had a depressurization. I need y'all to put on the oxygen mask. It's very dangerous health. Sir, this briefing is dangerous. You need to put on your oxygen mask because it's dangerous. It's dangerous now. Your air is in the dangerous. I already have it on. Okay, everyone must put their oxygen mask. What's going on today with the cabin crew today? Ma'am, oxygen mask must be put on. Put on your oxygen mask. Oxygen mask. What's going on? No, the back door got into a depressurization. The door is broken and it goes into a depressurization. So I need to put the oxygen mask. Look, it's dangerous. Look, when the door opened by itself and you didn't lock it, it will cause the cabin to be feel depressurization and cause the oxygen mask to flow off. Now you see I have to put the oxygen mask on really to prevent getting health risk warning. The aircraft has reached an altitude.
This is your captain from the flight deck. We have started our initial descent and will be landing soon. Thanks for flying with us, and we hope to see you again soon.
Oh no! Oh, where am I? I just fell into a skydive. When you fall from the airplane and you might be... Yeah, that would be a bad idea. Sorry guys. But don't you try to attempt to fall off from the high place area, you know? Do you know this is my skydiving? Okay, there was an achievement like did I receive a part of the skydiving?
Flight attendants, please prepare the cabin for arrival.
No receipt. Wow, we got into a depressurization here. Just now, the doors opened until the cabin fell into a depressurization. It could be very serious. But don't try to fall off. Depressurization is a serious health. You might cause a health risk warning with your breathing air, and you might be put on your oxygen mask here. Okay. Never mind, we leave it be the we will see what happens next. We want to have an emergency.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your first officer from the flight deck. We've been told by air traffic control to expect some moderate turbulence up ahead. We'll try our best to give you a smooth ride, but expect some bumps over the next couple of minutes.
It's just moderate. Or we need to continue with caution. Crew, continue with caution. What do you think of the celebrity? Ugh. How plane shakes moderate. Is everything okay? I am okay. Okay, that was okay. We just recently have a landing gear problem, which is also known as an emergency, right? That the plane was unable to land down due to front landing gear problem. This is the control area of ATC here. APU, autopilot unit. So, here. So I remember this one was like Angry Bird movie, Sonic the Hedgehog monster. The scenery of the mountain, nice. Anime of Japan or Tokyo. Is anyone make a complaint about the hair? Okay, no complaint here. I could know about that thing. No hair move. Okay. We all tie up the hair. Keep the hair long, but not tying ponytails. This is the flight info.
This is your captain from the flight deck. We have started our initial descent and will be landing soon. Thanks for flying with us, and we hope to see you again soon.
Okay. Santorini. No one should enter the cockpit in case it's unconscious or something. Hi. Oh, nobody look at me. I'm famous. Celebrity. Hey, I paid to have control over my window. I paid to have control over my window. Oh. I got hurt about an unconscious pilot. I got this for you, don't worry. It must be the glass break by itself and they're blocked by the oxygen mask. Are y'all boys okay? Quick, get the oxygen mask. It's dangerous health. My co-pilot and I tried to get our mask, but we are too slow. Wow, that was awful. Thank you. I'm going to have a recover for a bit. I can't think about it, but we're both too light. Please take over. Alright, I'll take it for you. One of the pilot is not feeling well. I need to open the pilot door. I'll manage this. This situation matters. Use your mouse or keyboard to control the aircraft. Ensure that you zoom out of the first person using the mouse. I'm doing like this. Oh dear, I've been like hot then. Let's see the result. The landing smoothness bad 58%, 26% touchdown zone. Perfect 100%, 70% good landing. Not bad. Thank goodness. Hope the pilot will feel better with this. We will see what happens next for the emergency. We want to see if there's an emergency. Hey, come on, move your hair. Ma'am, move your hair. Nope. Come on, just move it. Don't tell me what to do. This is your last warning. I'm not going to listen to you. That's it. I'm going to cut your ponytail. This is what you get. I'm calling my lawyer. You're done for. Thank you. Problem. I'm never flying on this awful airline again. How could you? My ponytail was iconic. She then keep complaining. You monster! That was my pride and joy. She keep complaining about the hair. You've ruined my life. Unbelievable! You're about to be fired! You monster! That was my pride and joy! I can't believe you are the flight attendants.
This is your captain from the flight deck. We have started our initial descent and will be landing soon. Thanks for flying with us, and we hope to see you again soon.
Unbelievable. You're about to be fired. She dared to keep complaining about her hair. You've ruined my life.
Flight attendants, please prepare the cabin for arrival.
Let's check the passenger. Alright. Sure. Fine. Fine. Alright. Sure. Fine. Sure. Okay, time for landing. What happened? Front landing gear, what happened? What the? No! This is impossible! It seems to be an issue in an aircraft. Please wait for the further announcement for the captain. Okay, we got a problem. It's a bit hard to land at Sydney Airport. There is a front landing gear problem today again. Okay, the red light just on by me. We have a problem today. Wait for announcement, guys.
This is your first officer from the flight deck speaking. Due to an issue with our front landing gear, we had to abort our landing. We will now be making an emergency landing without the front gear. Flight attendants, please ensure all passengers are in the brace position.
Good, I need you all to put in your brace position. Okay, I will. Ladies and gentlemen, the gear is on malfunction today. I guess the landing gear just got into a malfunction today. Ladies and gentlemen, please be on your brace position. The landing gear seems to have malfunctioned today. I think there was a problem today, yeah. The landing gear cannot work. Okay, I want to see that everyone must be on their brace position. Make sure they need to knock down the baggage. The landing gear seems to be a problem today. Make sure must be on their brace position. Ready for gear failure landing. Okay, everyone is their brace position. Check that. Make sure that everyone must be their same position. But it might be expected to be on the fire today. So I guess it might be gear failure without front gear. Land down without front gear. Let's see. Without the front gear already. Brace!
Brace, brace,
Guys, take a look. It looks like it's gonna drag out from the takeoff stations. It's out from the takeoff station until it dead ends. Okay, I just see what happened. The fire truck's on the way. We need to open the door.
This is your captain speaking. The aircraft has landed but is on fire and may explode.
Evacuate,
Flight attendants, open the boarding door and evacuate all the passengers as quickly as possible.
Everyone, you should get out from the plane already. Evacuate. All evacuate. Get off from the plane. It's on fire. Okay, we got a problem here. Oh no, it's on fire. Get out. All out from the plane. Out from the plane. You all need to evacuate from the plane. It's dangerous to be here. Get out from the plane. Out from your seat immediately. All evacuate. All. It's on fire. It's about to spread. Spreading the fires already. It's about to spread fire. Evacuate. Heads up. Surrender. All your heads up. There's a fire here. It's on the fire seat. It's about to spread everything already. Is everyone out from the seat already? We left you evacuate. Cool. Getting explosion. We need to get out of here. Is everyone here? Might be a fire. Okay, everyone is out already. And everyone is here. Nice job! You evacuated everyone quickly enough. You will be transported to the airport shortly. Everyone's okay. We will see what happens next.